Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need to settle up on Splitwise but not sure how, let me show you the easy way to pay or record your payment. First, open the Splitwise app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now choose the friend or group where you see your balance. As you can see, I owe Sami 2000. Now tap on Settle Up and choose that friend. So when you tap settle up, it says this feature does not move money. This means the app does not send money. It just helps you track that you paid. Now simply pay your method through any method you both use like bank transfer, card or cash. After paying, return to the app and record a payment. Enter the amount and tap the tick icon at the top right. The balance will now say all settled up or show a reduced amount. And that's it. Splitwise is great for tracking, not transferring money. Just pay outside and update the app. Like and subscribe for more simple finance tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.